Astronomy Grade 5. This is the summary video for today's lesson. Subject Science, Unit 3, Lesson 3.10. Check your progress. From your learn book, page number 52-53. And your homework for today, page number 32 from your activity book. This is the last lesson from Unit 3. So let's start. Check your progress. Write the word that describes each of the following progress. A liquid change into gas. A liquid change into gas, it means evaporation. Evaporation. A gas change into liquid, condensation. A solid change into liquid, it's melting. Water change into ice, freezing, opposite of melting. Heated water change into steam, it's called boiling. So these are the description for each statement. Saria and Amira grew some plants for their classrooms. You can see here different two part. Saira plants need to be watered every day, and Amira's plants didn't. You can see here my plants don't need as much water. So what's the reason? There are different questions. Okay, so what do you think? Different question according to the question. Okay, Luisa went into the bathroom after her sister had a bath. It was, sorry, just a minute. Question number two, which plant didn't need? So you can say what water need more water and what didn't. Because in the big pot, it's need more water. And the second is that if you're putting your plant in a cold place, so it's not need much water. If you're putting in warm place, it's need, but also as you can see it's also can grow as it gets more water. Okay, Luisa went into the bathroom after her sister had a bath. It was full of mist or moist and the mirror was covered in drops of liquid like condense. So what was the moist or mist made of? Like you can say the fog. Mist mean like fog. What was the mist made of? So it's made of what? Water vapor condense. I told you because of condensation into drops of water. This mist made of. So what were the drops of liquid made of? Drop of liquid made of what? Made of water, obviously. The drops of liquid made of water. Name the process that made the drops of liquid from, so it's condensation. I told you in here, because of condensation there is fog, so like tiny drops. So this is condensation, obviously. A gas change into liquid drops, tiny liquids. So why did the drops form? What is the reason? The water vapor cooled down. The water vapor cooled down and become liquid water. The water vapor cool down and become water liquor. How this happened? When in the if someone take bath in the bathroom, okay, in washroom you can say. So there is some fog, and it's when it's cooled down on the mirror surface, so it's changed into tiny drops of liquid or water. What process had made Saria plants needs water every day? This question answer from question number two. This one, it's slide mixture. So let's do it. What process ahead has made Syra, sorry, Saria plants need water every day? You know, one of the plant need more water and one plant no need more water. So what process has made Saria plants need water every day? Evaporation. Because of evaporation. Why do Amira plants need less water? What is the reason why his plant need less water? Because her plant have a smaller surface area. Has smaller surface area. You can see there, one surface bigger using big pot and one using small pot. So smaller surface area from which water can evaporate. From which water can evaporate. I told you before, if your water is have a large surface, its evaporation fast. If it's smaller surface, its evaporation not faster, or you can say less faster than the bigger surface. So less surface area, less evaporation. Suggest two things Saria can do to make her plants need less water. Obviously, Saria can put them in the coolest place. I told you when I'm showing picture, if you put your plant in a coolest place, so less evaporation happen. Use a pot with a smaller open surface, so less evaporation will take place. So in simple, if you're putting your pot in cool place, or if you're using the pot with small surface area, so like this evaporation less occur. Question number 4. Label the processes that take place at point A to D on the diagram. It's easy. This is what? Evaporation. This is condensation. This one, freezing, change into snow. And then it's one again, melting. Melting and change into water. So these are the four processes. Question 5. Look at this picture. One glass in freezer, one in warm place, and one on the table at normal temperature. Which ice cube, actually these are the ice cube. Which ice cubes will melt the faster? A, B, C. Obviously B, because it is on the warm place. Ice cube in B. This one. They are in warm place and will heat up faster. Will the ice cube in A melt at the lowest temperature? Then the ice cube in B. Explain your answer. Will the ice cubes in A melt at a lowest temperature than the ice cube in B? Explain your answer. What do you think? Which one? Obviously, no. Ice melt at which temperature? Obviously, zero. Which ice cube in A melt at the lowest temperature? No, boys, because the melting start at the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. It just melt faster if it is in the warm place. Other place, no. So you can, if you want to arrange it, this number one, this number two, and this number three, because it's in a colder place. This is number one. So what happened to ice when it's melt? When it's melt. आ गया अरसलान? अरसलान, वो पखा मार छिटी थानू. Sorry, just continue. What happened to ice when it's melt? What happened? Solid ice change into liquid water. Okay, boys, take care. Page number 32. Your homework completed. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.